everybody. Hope you're good. Okay, today I'm going to teach you guys why an iPhone user shouldn't and mustn't download a dictionary app. Because like you really don't need a dictionary app, because the Apple phone makes sure that you have a dictionary, you have an inbuilt dictionary. Yes. So first up, I'm going to show you where a dictionary is and how it works. Okay, so first up, you go to settings. Yes, you go to settings, then you scroll down, you come to general. Yeah, general. You come to general, and then you scroll. And then right down here, you can see the word dictionary. Yeah, dictionary. So this is where you find a dictionary app. So the inbuilt dictionary, you can see English dictionaries. You see the American English. You can see the Apple dictionary. You can have Arabic to English translations, Chinese, Dutch to English, French, a whole lot of dictionaries. You can even download more if you want. Yes. So all you just have to do is just tap on the one you want, and just download them. You get me? Yes. So by means of I've already downloaded a couple of dictionaries. Yes, I have the American English, and Apple dictionary. Yes. So I'm going to show you how it works. So after downloading the dictionary that you want, you just come here. So let's imagine you are chatting with somebody and the person says a word, or you hear a word and you just want to find out what the word means. So all you just have to do is, instead of going to an app, you just have to come to your messages and or notes. You come to messages or notes and just type, maybe let's say heart, maybe the word heart. Yes. Then you select it, and you see this button appears here, and you hit this arrow, and then you see lookup. So just go straight up to lookup. So lookup, you have the meaning of the word. So you can see the meaning of the heart here. You see a whole lot of definitions. Yeah, a whole lot of definitions. Yes. So let's imagine probably you're reading a book on maybe reading a PDF file, and you find a word. So you read a PDF file and you find a word, and that you don't understand. Yes. So all you have to do is just hit this, just select the word. Just have to select the word. Just have to select the word. Yes, select the word and just go to lookup. And straightforward, you have the meaning of the word. That's simple. Really simple. I really recommend this. You really don't need to download anything else but use this, because it's really simple and it's really handy, man. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. See ya.